Hey y'all, this is an episode of Cooking with C. I'm going to be cooking my famous string bean, candy yams, and also my barbecue baked chicken. As you can see here, my smoked neck bone is already pre-washed and submerged underwater. I am putting in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. You don't need that much salt because the smoked neck bone itself is salty. It carries a lot of salt by itself. So just stir that in, and then I'm going to go ahead and set this timer for about 40 minutes to cook. That lets me know it's almost done but not quite done. I usually go for like an hour and a half because I do have to put the string beans in. I'm washing the string beans right here. I'm pre-washing the string beans, so to say, and this is something I do to just all my veggies, fresh veggies. I didn't have to snap this one, thank God. My husband and my daughters and I did. I don't like to snap them, but I will cook them. So if you snap them, I will cook them for you. And here I am pre-washing the red skin potatoes. You go ahead and pre-wash those and cut them up to put in and get all those stuff right there off too. You're going to cut all that off, and then you're going to cut it up a decent size. You don't want it too small, because if it's too small it becomes mushy when it's boiling in with the string beans. The string beans are already in, and they were in about 40 minutes before I put the potatoes in. The potatoes are cooked down about, I'll say about 10 minutes, and then you can just put everything on low and let it simmer. And now I'm going on to my rice, because everything else is simmering, the string beans and everything. And usually with my rice I use the same pot, so I don't have to measure anything, because I know how much it's going to feed all of us. But if you don't know how much it's going to feed, you gotta go according to the rice bag, and the directions on the back. I usually rinse my rice about 3 times with two warm waters and 1 cold water. And this is just to get all the salt that's on it. And I usually go ahead and put a little bit more salt in it and let it boil and simmer down. I am putting in some water in the pre-sprayed pan that I have for my baked chicken, and the onions that I cut is pre-cut. The sauce that I'm using is Kraft. It's 2 different kinds if you couldn't see it. I also mix brown sugar and mustard in it. And don't get after me, guys, but I do the homemade candy yams, but I'm just waiting till next week, Thanksgiving, to do them. But right here I do have the pre-cut candy yams, which I put butter, white sugar, and brown sugar on, and it's on a greased pan. I'm going to put this in after everything is already cooked for about 10 minutes because it doesn't take that long. And this is my rice already prepared and fluffy. And this is my string beans, just simmering down still for about 10 more minutes, just until the potatoes are about tender. You don't want it to be mushy because it will turn into mashed potatoes on you, and that's a no-no. And this is my barbecue chicken. After I let my meat cook, I went ahead and just put my sauce on for about 10 minutes and then pull it out. And this is my sweet potato candy yams. Finished product, boom. Yummy in the tummy. If you want more like this, more recipes and ideas, just let me know in a comment down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.